Sodium! See what sodium can do to you? First, I'll give you background information about sodium, and then I'll tell you why you should buy it. Na is the element symbol for sodium. Its atomic number is 11, and its atomic mass is 23. Some of sodium's physical properties are that it's soft, silvery white, shiny, and has a boiling point of 883 degrees Celsius and a melting point at 97.72 degrees Celsius. Some of its chemical properties include, well, first off, it's an alkali metal, which is the first group that you'd see on a periodic table. It's the most reactive. It combines with oxygen at room temperature, which makes it a solid. Sodium maintains the water level in the body and pumps water into the cell. It also prevents sunstroke, which is very beneficial when you're out on the beach in the summer. Water and sodium maintain the body temperature. If the body is exposed to high temperatures, it begins to lose sodium in water. And you don't want a lack of sodium in water because then you'll get a sunstroke and then you'll die. Sodium helps the development of the brain and improves brain functions. For instance, sodium helps the nervous system send messages and function cells. A nerve cell needs enough electricity to send a message to another nerve cell. Sodium helps this process to occur with potassium, which is known as the sodium-potassium pump. This pump transports 3 sodium ions out of the cell and 2 potassium ions into the cell to maintain concentration outside and inside the cell. Sodium is an electrolyte found in many drinks. Sodium restores the amount of electrolytes the body needs. The lack of electrolytes and dehydration causes the body to have muscle cramps. As I mentioned before, sodium is an electrolyte, which is a chemical substance used to help function the body and benefit performance. Sodium can help increase electrolytes, but it has to be mixed with other substances. We need about 250 milligrams of sodium each day, and for athletes, they need about 500 milligrams. This girl drinks Gatorade, which has sodium, which is an electrolyte, because she just worked out in the gym. Let's go to our clients who love and enjoy and who bought sodium, such as Tiger Woods. Look at him, he just loves that drink. This drink has sodium, which benefits him, especially as an athlete. And look at this little adorable kid. She is loving her drink, and you can also find sodium naturally through foods, especially from apples. And there are celebrities who love sodium. Look at Danette McCurdy drinking that sodium. That's not just sodium, but that's part of the drink. And the Kardashians and the Jersey Shore cast, they love sodium. They bought sodium. They are smart people. You should too, because without sodium, you wouldn't have the benefits that you need and that you will love. Like, for example, eggs and brownies and all foods have sodium. And without sodium, it wouldn't be liked. I mean, you wouldn't like it. I mean, you need every single ingredient, and if you don't have sodium, then it ain't good. So y'all should buy sodium, only $19.99. Get your butt away from my sodium. See what sodium can do to you? Sodium also helps restore skin to healthy, younger looking skin. Have you been suffering from baggy eyes, wrinkles, and all of that? Well, you see, you buy wrinkle creams and anti-aging creams that will help you with that. But the thing is, without sodium, anti-wrinkle creams and aging creams and all of that wouldn't be able to work, because basically sodium helps restore the skin basically by exfoliating the skin and removing all of the dead skin cells. Finally, there are uses for sodium's compounds. Sodium's compounds are sodium bicarbonate, sodium chloride, sodium hypochlorite, sodium nitrate, and sodium silicate. Sodium bicarbonate is an antacid used to treat heartburn and an upset stomach. Sodium chloride, also known as salt, is used to preserve and season food. Sodium hypochlorite is used to purify water, to bleach, and to remove odor. Sodium nitrate is used to preserve and add the color to meats, and it's also used as a fertilizer to provide nitrogen to the soil. Sodium silicate is used as a cement hardener, used to wash eggs, peel fruits and vegetables, and is added to detergents and soaps to remove dirt.